Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini Trading Room recap for Monday the 7th of October. And today was a very interesting day in the markets. We had a huge gap down today and basically stair-stepped our way higher and moved sideways into 12 o'clock. So very interesting day. We had 3 trades today and pulled 12 points or 56 ticks out of the market. And it's definitely a very good day and totally different than last month. Which is what you would, you want to see. You want to get that consistent profitability. And let's go ahead and get into it, see what we did on the day. We got this huge gap down, started watching, got long over here, and we were able to take profits into this move higher. And then we did get long again down here. We were able to take profits into this move. Kind of watched it chop around a little bit, got long again down here, and we took profits on here, and then we got out down, when it started rolling over. So that's basically what we did on the day. And then we just, kind of watched it till 12 o'clock, and it really didn't do much else. Definitely was very sideways and, choppy. And that's one thing that you don't want to do, especially when you have a day like this. And that's one thing I really wanted to talk about, is we had a good trade here and a very good trade here. And sometimes traders and other parts of life as well, when you have a couple really good wins, you do start to develop an ego, and then over trading can set in. You have in times of trading, when you take some losses, you start over trading to get that money back. But also on the same hand in trading, when you get a couple good wins, you start over trading because you start feeling invincible. Hey, look at these wins. They were actually pretty easy. Let me, see if I can trade more and get more wins like it. And it just turns into a cycle of bad things. That's really what I wanted to talk about today, is the winning mindset. How do you act after you make a really nice trade? After these 2 trades, we were up probably 10 and a quarter points or something like that. This last trade here wasn't really a very good trade. We probably made 1 and a quarter points off of it. So we were probably up 10 and 3/4 here, and 1 and a quarter, that would make 12. So after you make 2 nice trades, how do you act after that? Should you try to grab short? Maybe it goes up again and stops you out. Maybe you try to get long down here, and then it doesn't really make it too high and stops you out or something. And that's one thing you do want to avoid. Yeah, you have losses, you overtrade, but then you have wins and you overtrade as well. And I don't hear very many people speaking about that issue. It's definitely something that is important to talk about, because it does happen quite a bit. And I see a lot of times, people will have big wins and then they'll start over trading, they'll get hurt, and then they'll start taking their profits really early. I've had a couple clients that has happened to, and it's definitely, depending on how long you actually do that for, it does really create some bad habits for you. And in trading, habits are everything, because you're trading, you have to have split-second thinking, and to do that, you have to use your subconscious mind to make those decisions. Your conscious mind cannot make all of those decisions for you, and if it does, then you're probably overthinking way too much. So that's one thing I wanted to talk about. It's definitely an important topic, and there's a whole lot more to talk about. I could spend hours on this one topic alone, and I do sometimes with different coaching clients, but it's definitely an important topic that I wanted to talk about a little bit. Hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about. You can always leave comments below. A lot of people like to email me directly, which is fine as well. support@abusinesswithtrading.com. I welcome any and all questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question. I truly believe that. I was once a new trader and had a ton of questions. So I can definitely understand the perspectives on, many different questions. So if you have any, just ask away. Comments, feedback, suggestions, those are welcome also. Thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.